what I'm dealing with. Why? Why you gotta be so disruptive? Huh? Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. So tonight, it is already 5:28. I just got home from work and on my way home, I stopped by the grocery store. Can you stop? Stopped by the grocery store and I got myself some makings for a recipe I found on Dog, please. I found a recipe on Pinterest. It is called, I believe it was Spinach Artichoke Pasta. This is literally all you need. So it is 1 sweet onion, or we're only gonna be using half though, unless you really like onions and you can use the full thing or 3/4 of it. We got 1 container of basil. It is fresh basil, organic. 1 bag of spinach. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Probably will only use 1. I just got a lot of this because it was on sale, and also I might be making 2 batches of it. I also got 2 boxes of fettuccine noodles. Then we got garlic cloves. And lastly is artichoke hearts. So I'm probably gonna be making, again, 2 batches of this because it is so good. So anyway, let's start cooking.